So can I tell you something? I actually never really wanted to be involved in real estate. Now, most people know me as someone who does real estate. I've owned businesses, I buy, sell, all that stuff. But actually, that's not what I ever wanted to do. As a matter of fact, the first thing I ever wanted to do was have one simple job, and that was to be an airline pilot. Now, I still am an airline pilot. I'm in Frankfurt, Germany right now, and I love the ability to travel the world. But what I also know is that at any moment, this job could go away. And if it goes away, I will have nothing. That is the reason I do real estate. Most people don't do real estate because they love four walls and the roof. They do it because of the freedom that real estate gives them. So really ask yourself, when you're getting involved in real estate, what are you doing? Are you trying to buy four walls and a roof and as many as you can have? Or are you actually doing this for a specific reason and a specific goal? Whenever you own real estate, always make sure it's got to have a goal, it's got to have a strategy, and they all have to align. Don't buy just to buy. Buy because it makes sense. So if you want to know more, you can click on my website, steverozenberg.com, or you can go to my YouTube channel, Steve Rozenberg, and subscribe to there, and you'll see more content like this in the future. Hopefully this helps. We'll talk to you later.